have the idea for our next episode.
Great. What is it?
It's the one must-have item for successful women.
What? You mean...
Uh-huh.
What? The suspense is killing me. Give me a coffee before I fall asleep here.
Hi, Mrs. Doubtfinder.
Duh!
Oh, cool. Did you bring your coloring books too?
Actually, I'm the color coding queen. They call me RGB.
Red, green, blue? The color coding system? Stop, you're gonna make RBG jealous.
Have I got a story? When Liat and I set off to start our empowerment vlog, we each whipped out our pencil cases before getting down to work.
And we know what you're thinking. That's so retro, right?
Retro? Try ridiculous.
We were really surprised to discover that we both carry around productivity pouches in the form of pencil cases.
And we figured there must be something to it.
Yep, you are too Michigan Madelach. That's for sure.
Yeah, we're two wild and crazy girls.
So I was thinking it must be because we're both successful women.
You two? Successful? Oh, so now you're Oprah Winfrey and Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
I already told you, I'm RGB, not RBG. Sheesh.
So we opened up our pencil cases to compare.
And this is what we found.
Your regular pen to put to paper to establish your ideas.
A paper clip to keep things together.
A flash drive because there's no end to the possibilities and you have to store them somewhere.
Really? You've never heard of the cloud?
A highlighter to emphasize what's important.
Well, we have different ideas of what's important.
Oh yeah? What do you carry around?
A red pen, an eraser. Hello, my pet. And, most important, a magnifying glass to see through all of your bullshit.
Sugar with your coffee?
Color coding is the key to productivity.
Well, if that's the key, give me those. You should be locked up.
The point is, we all carry different tools. Now the world don't move to the beat of just one drum. What might be right for you may not be right for some.
What you talking about with this?
Productivity is about finding the tools that work for you.
It's not about the pencil case. The pencil case is a metaphor.
A meta for what?
A metaphor for a toolbox. Here are the tips. 1. Develop your own toolbox.
2, fill it with the tools that are right for you.
3. Be ready to get down to business.
So, what's the one thing that successful women have?
The tools that are right for them, which they can use anywhere.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
I think we just did.
Why don't we ask them? What do you keep in your pencil case to keep you productive? Why don't you let us know in the comments below?